So I think my new pastime here in Tennessee as I'm driving around is rescuing box turtles that are trying to cross the road. So I think just now I almost ran over one and did not run over the turtle. So I stopped, put the turtle on the other side of the road. Sounds like a joke, but it's the truth. I think yesterday my cousin and I saved 3. And so yeah, saving turtles. That's what I do now. No one said it'd be easy taking seats out of a Bluebird bus. Yeah, pain in the ass. But we're getting it though. We're gonna figure it out one way or the other.
Man, these seats were stubborn. But with some patience, a grinder, and a couple cutoff wheels, they made their way right out the door. Most of the bolts came loose, but the ones closest to the rear wheels and the front wheels were the hardest to reach and needed a little coaxing. Hammer, check. Safety glasses, check. Hearing protection, check. Let's rock and roll.
Almost done. We have all the seats out but 2. And we'll get these seats out. See those guys right there? They are a pain in my backside. So we're gonna just cut them with the grinder. And then there's one way inside there, inside that hole there, that we can't get to. So they'll be cut with a grinder. And then those 2 will be cut with a grinder, and we'll be done. 2 days of blood and sweat, no tears though. Finally cleared out the bus. All the seats are gone.
Now that the seats are out of the bus, we decided to hit up a local rodeo. Lots of fun. The best rider was a girl. She was kicking all the dudes in the Bronco category. Good times, great food, and well, a really bad storm brewing in the night sky. I wish I could have played the audio, but YouTube would send out the copyright police.
I don't know why you get so scared with the beep beeps from the GoPro, but it's okay, buddy. Anyway, just finished up the exterior of the frame for the Sir Dante throne on the doghouse, the bed on the doghouse. And I'm going to start putting some slats on it, and then we'll put some legs on it and test it out. Stay tuned. It is going to rain. Cats, dogs, cows, maybe some giraffes. It's going to get busy here real quick, real soon. So hang out while I clean up my mess and finalize the amazing belt bed. Scrap wood found in a cabin that has nothing in it yet. There's a will, there's a way. I hope we get some good thunder while I get this filming right now. It's pretty awesome.
Not easy building a dog bed for the royal pup with no tools and limited supplies. But with the help from my neighbors, I borrowed some tools and found some wood in the old cabin, picked up some basic supplies from Lowe's. It actually all came together and turned out better than I thought it would. I just hope Mr. Dante approves.
It's raining. Not super hard yet, but it's raining. Door windows are down. Got it. Woo! That was fast. Count those seconds. Took me to get to my car and back. Oh man. Woo! Oh. So I purchased a new gasket kit for the engine cover because this is 2008 and it's just worn out. So I don't want to smell diesel and keep it a little quieter in the cab. So I picked that up. I'm going to put that on right now. So I've replaced one gasket already. I replaced the gasket for the hood of the doghouse. Much better. And the latches, I had one latch I found, so I just bought the actual kit for the latch itself or for the hook, and to connect it to the hood. And then I bought a new latch. Awesome, 100% amazing. So right now I pulled off the old gasket. As you can see, it's just old, it's ripped, and I'm getting ready to replace that. So I pulled it all off completely. This goes to the bottom of the doghouse, which sets on the actual housing over the engine. And I'm going to clean it up right now with some 409 or some Windex, and then put the new gasket on and then install it. It's like wrestling a bear. So I finally got this gasket on. I'm a sweaty mess. Holy moly, it was a bear. Anyway, all done. I'm going to put it back on the engine bay and lock her down and be done with this project.
Clean it up, sweep it up, all done.
You know, I have to thank my cousin Patrick. Man, he came through and helped me secure this bus to actually go and pick it up in Missouri in the Ozarks on an Army base, which is actually, there's an Air Force detachment there. And this is an Air Force bus, a training transport bus. And so we brought it back, long trip, got it back to Tennessee, pulled all the seats out. And I've been working on, I got a trailer hitch installed. Now I'm working on trying to get the trailer lights to work. I'm hoping to get some results tomorrow. I'm supposed to leave tomorrow, Monday, but I may not leave tomorrow, maybe Tuesday. But anyway, things are moving forward, so I can't really complain, even though I've been stressed a little bit. But I got an amazing dog bed installed for Dante. That's a wood platform above the dog house. How convenient, dog bed on top of the dog house. He's like Snoopy. And he's gonna ride there because I'm gonna fill this up with all my belongings and bring it back home to Tennessee. So stay tuned for the adventure and hope everything goes smooth tomorrow, and then I can get on the road, if not tomorrow, first thing Tuesday morning. Thanks for watching.